Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add color background to text on Instagram. For that, you need to go to Instagram account, click on your story, and here you need to click on camera. I was taking a black image. After that, here we have a three dots on right side, topmost right side. Click on that. Here it will have a symbol of drawer. Click on that. We have a different types of colors here. I was clicking on light pink color. Clicking on light pink color, it will showing. After that, you need to long press on screen of black screen. No, it was color changed. I was click on again green. Long press on, it was changed. I was clicking right symbol. After that, I was texting hi. We have different types of fonts. It was done. I was putting a story like this. You can do. Thank you.